dream about becoming an outstanding special agent? Then watch our compilation of life hacks for real spies and detectives. Today you will find out how you can unlock your friend's phone with a fingerprint, how to make a bug device, and master the coding skill. This is base over. Apparently my friend is having a secret talk. Universal spy rule says that you should always keep up with all the news. It's great that I've got a special bug device. Place a microphone onto the door. What? I can't believe it! Huge news! We will need a funnel, wide tape, a plastic tube, balloon, and headphones. Cut the wide part off a balloon and pull it onto the plastic funnel. Take silicone caps off in-ear headphones and attach them to the tube. Make a cut in the center and connect one more piece of the tube. Fasten the place of the joining with tape, making a cross. Attach the funnel with balloon to the stethoscope. Put headphones into your ears and place the rubber membrane onto the closed door. It doesn't matter how quietly your friends talk, you can hear every word distinctly. The most important thing is to run away from the door before she catches you red-handed. Let's upgrade our spy equipment with a handmade Spyglass. We will need a cardboard tube, paper cup, and 2 magnifying glasses of different sizes. Wrap the tube with glitter scrapbooking paper. Take the lenses out of the magnifying glass. Use a hot glue gun to attach the lenses to the tube. Cut out the bottom of the paper cup. Attach the big lens to the neck of the cup. Insert the tube into the cup. Ready? You can even see the smallest font in a book from a distance using this Spyglass. Well, who is drinking from my glass? Where is my spy lab? We will show you a technique on how to lift fingerprints from glass. We will need eyeshadow. Use a brush to apply eyeshadow to the glass. Shake off the excess. Fingerprints can be seen now. Attach tape to the fingerprint and take it off carefully. Enter fingerprints data into a special spy database. And let's check if you can unlock a phone with this fingerprint. Attach the tape with the fingerprint to a finger. Place it on the sensor. It works! Unfortunately, this trick doesn't work with new phones. Your friend sleeps and dreams about how to sneak near you without you noticing, but you can't catch a National Secret Service agent off guard that easily. We will need sunglasses and a disc. Cut 2 identical pieces out of the disc. Attach reflectors to the sides of the lenses. You will be able to see every move behind your back. Aha! Got you! Up Periscope! We will make an optical device to watch everyone around with things you have at home. We will need 2 empty Pringles tubes. Cut the metallic bottoms of the packages. Attach a small makeup mirror to the edge of the tube. Make a semicircle cut. Press the mirror inside. Make the same with another tube. Place the mirror at a 45-degree angle so that it reflects light from the second mirror. Attach the edges of the tubes to each other. Adjust the device so that you can see the reflection of everything that's going on behind the corner. Ready? What's hidden behind the radiator? A note from a secret admirer? Nope, there is only a map inside the roll. What does it mean? A true spy knows what to do. Ignite a candle and warm up the paper nicely. Secret marks appear on the map. Let's go looking for a pirate treasure. And meanwhile, we will tell you how to make an invisible spy felt tip pen. We will need lemon acid, a felt tip pen, and water. Put on rubber gloves and take a felt tip pen apart. Wash the wadding with water until the pigment disappears. Dissolve lemon acid with a small amount of water. Fill a syringe with this mixture. Insert the wadding into the felt tip pen body and pour in the mixture. The spy felt tip pen is ready. Invisible lines become brown when you heat them up. Does your friend complain that she has a lot of work to do and relaxes sitting in the shade? We have a superb gadget for secret videotaping, and she won't get away with her lie anymore. We will need an empty 20 fluid ounce juice container to make this spy device. Cut off one side of the carton. Mark the place of the phone camera and make a hole for it. Put the phone into the juice cover. Insert a straw into the carton and pull a hat onto your eyes. Turn the phone camera on and get closer to your target. I film all her criminal actions on camera while she thinks that I drink juice. Do you think it's a regular lipstick? It's crystal clear that you skipped all the classes in spy school. It's a secret flash drive. Apply hot glue to a memory card. Wash an empty lipstick tube and attach the memory card to it. Screw the tube and the flash drive lies low. No one is supposed to know that the most important information is stored in your makeup bag. What is this secret note about? It looks like some kind of magic spell. It's great that I've got a secret key to the code. We will need 2 sheets of colored paper. Cut out 2 long rectangles. Write the alphabet on the right side of one piece. Do the same on the left side of another one. Wrap a cardboard plug with this alphabet. Fasten the edges with tape. Do the same with another piece of paper. We only need to write a key. Ascribe a secret meaning to every letter in the alphabet. Decode the secret message. Oh, I see. Meet you in the yard at 7 o'clock. Copy that. Over. If this note gets into your enemy's hands, they won't figure anything out for sure. Real stars of Secret Service are not limited to regular coating, and top secret codes are applied right onto the skin. We will need hand soap and some water for this spy life hack. Add a few drops of water to a small amount of soap. Mix it with a brush and apply the code to the inside of the forearm. Burn a piece of paper to ash. Rub the ashes into the skin, and the secret inscription becomes visible. Are you going to leave your home for a long time and don't know how to protect it from spies? Scare unwanted guests off with a shadow in a window. We will make them think that there is always somebody at home. Put your partner on a big piece of cardboard. Trace her body with a crayon. Use a utility knife to cut the cardboard body out. Fasten it to a windowsill with tape. Done! Turn on the light in the room and there will be a person's silhouette in the window. A secret task in a bathroom? But your mom just finished washing the floor. Tile is wet and even a beginner spy will track down your footprints. We use spy logic. Special shoe covers will save us. We will need 2 pieces of felt, elastics, and cardboard. Trace the sole of your sneakers on a piece of cardboard. Cut them out. Attach the elastics to cardboard using a hot glue gun. Mark the shape of the sole on felt. Cut it out and attach it. Put on invisible slippers and flutter over the wet floor without leaving any traces. No traces, no evidence. Let's read what's new in the lives of celebrities. But life around us is way more interesting. I wonder where my busy friend goes. We will need a regular magazine. Cut 2 round holes on one page. Take a comfortable position in a soft spy chair and start watching. Now you will be able to detect everyone, even the smallest mouse. And for this spy life hack, you will need a regular wax candle and note papers. Make an inscription with a candle. Put the paper into a book. Sneak it onto your friend's table together with a blue felt tip pen without her noticing. I wonder if she figures out what to do. She opens up the book, takes out the paper, and what's next? But my friend is obviously aware of my spy tricks. She shades the paper with the felt tip pen, and now she is able to read my message. The felt tip pen doesn't work on wax. This is why traces are left clean. Elementary, my dear Watson. See you at Baker Street 221B. Number one, this is number 2, radio check, copy that. The first rule of spies is to take a portable radio along if you go on a mission. We will tell you how to make a secret talking device with whatever you have at home. We will need 2 paper cups and a long rope. Make a hole in the bottom. Pass the rope through the hole. Tie a knot. Leave 1 cup for yourself and another one for your friend. Go to different places. Talk into the cup one by one. If you place the cup onto your ear, you can easily hear your friend whispering. Now you know that you don't necessarily need to apply for a special class in order to become a real spy. Subscribe to our channel and find more spy hacks and cunning tricks. Write in your comments which idea you liked the most. Give your thumbs up and click the bell so that you don't miss new videos on Troom Select.